Okay, guys, just want to make a quick video. Continuing working on the car here, and just wanted to share a little bit. Of course, we got our new fan cowl on, our fan guard on the past couple of days, and we got the headers on and wrapped, and I'm waiting on my dual exhaust kit to come in from Classic Inlines. I hope they send it. So the dual exhaust kit's coming in, especially for convertibles from Classic Inlines. It includes the X pipe, the mufflers and everything that's supposed to go with the convertible. It's got to go up underneath the cross brace, the reinforcement brace in the tunnel, and then out the back. So anyway, today we're working on restoring the heater box. There it is, got it apart. Got this little kit. I got it from Virginia Mustangs, and it was a pretty good little kit. The rubber is a lot better than what was that little open cell foam that was on the old one, because the old one just disintegrated and fell off. Anyway, just clean this baby up. Fiberglass, it's in real good shape. I just kind of brushed it off a little bit. This piece is metal. I'm gonna go ahead and throw a little quick coat of paint on it and put it back together. There's my clips. Ran in through the tumbler, put a little paint on them, to freshen them up, and they should be good. Just put a little paint on them, and I ran through the tumbler and this and other cleanup work on them. They should be good and put them back on there. But anyway, that's it. Just wanted to share that with you, and I'll give you an update when it's put together. Okay, here we are, continuing on with this heater box rebuild. Cleaned it up a little bit, painted my door, painted the fan house in there, and then put my new coil in here. I got these little bumpers, two that go on the end of the coil, supposed to keep it from rattling in the case. Putting my new foam on there and continuing the process. Okay, just show you a little thing here. Okay, so I got my heater box back together, and I was wrestling with it. Get these clips on, because with the new foam it's hard to pull together, and I was doing it on the table and it dropped. So there's a little crack. Anyway, went to Dollar General here, got some little epoxy, pull it together, fix it. But anyway, that's what happens. You're doing stuff yourself, and my advice is, when you're putting your clips on, you're wrestling with this thing, do it on the floor, and that'll keep you from cracking it. But anyway, that's it. I'm gonna repair it, put my motor back on it, it'll be done. Nobody will ever see that. It's going to be underneath the dash. So you're going to make mistakes with these old cars. Just do the best you can, keep it going. All right.